If you are tired of losing links, hunting for templates, or scrolling Google Docs like you are searching for hidden treasure, you are probably crying into your coffee every morning. QuickSnap Pro claims to fix all of that chaos without forcing you to buy yet another fancy dashboard no one uses. Let's see if it is actually true. Hey, Kamal from TestedApps.com here. 6 years testing tools that promise the moon, the stars, and sometimes NASA-level performance. Most of them deliver a flashlight. Today, you get my honest review of QuickSnap Pro. Real results, no fluff, no hype, no guru nonsense. Before we dive in, check the link below. I've added exclusive bonuses to make this a no-brainer if you pick up QuickSnap Pro. Details are in the description. QuickSnap Pro is a Chrome extension built for marketers, creators, and anyone drowning in tops. The main promise is simple. Save anything with one right click. Find it instantly. Work faster without jumping between Docs, Sheets, Notion, Drive, or the 47 folders collecting digital dust on your desktop. No subscriptions, no complicated setup, just speed and sanity. QuickSnap works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Save anything you like with a right click. Links, prompts, scripts, templates. It is easier than ordering food online. And yes, you will finally stop emailing yourself reminders. Step 2. Tag and organize things in a way that matches your brain. No need to follow someone else's complicated system. If your brain works like a messy room, tags will feel like giving it a cleaning service. Step 3. Access everything in the Chrome sidebar. No tab hopping, no switching apps. Just click, paste, done. Feels like going from an old bicycle to a sports bike overnight. Here's what actually moves the needle. First benefit, right-click saving. This eliminates the daily pain of searching your Notes app, your bookmarks, your docs, your secret folder labeled important stuff do not delete. Everything is in one place. Second benefit, the multi-clipboard system. This one is huge. Titles, descriptions, tags, CTAs. Paste them in sequence without switching between apps. Perfect for YouTube uploads, social posts, blog SEO, and affiliate promotions. Third benefit, built-in AI tools. Thumbnail prompts, YouTube optimization, social post scripts. You can generate and save content without leaving the page. It removes friction, which saves time, and time equals money. Fourth benefit, export and backup. Your data stays yours, no vendor lock-in, no monthly fees. Use it for life. The front-end price is $12.95 one time. That's less than the cost of a burger, fries, and a drink. Let's compare this. Notion, $10 a month. Evernote, $8 a month. ClickUp, $15 a month. That adds up to over $100 a year. QuickSnap Pro, pay once, own it forever. And it does the one thing those tools do not, instant access inside your browser. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Welcome. Before I show you exactly how QuickSnap will help you save time in your daily workflows, let me tell you why I decided to build it. About a year ago, I built a much simpler Chrome extension to speed up my Facebook marketing, to save some DMs and some links, mainly. Within about 2 weeks, I finally realized that I'm using it for much more, not just for Facebook DMs, but also for call to actions I've used for my articles or for some prompts I've created and optimized. But this first tool was much too limited, so I recently decided to completely rebuild it from ground up. I called the new version QuickSnap Pro. It's built for you if you're working online and if you're looking for ways to speed up your daily workflows, just by having all the things you need regularly in one place. So just let me show you in a few minutes how it works. So here you see the user panel of QuickSnap. We have the link tab and the snippet tab, as well as the AI tools tab. There's another settings tab here, and inside the settings tab you can activate another 2 tabs, a to-do list tab and a content tab. As you see here, you can search links or you can order them by tag or category. In the settings you can remove and add categories as well. So let me show you how easy it is to save something to QuickSnap. Here you see a YouTube video. I want to copy this transcript, so I just highlight the entire transcript and then I use right click and save to QuickSnap. Just give it a name and a tag if you want and click save. Now in the next step I go to ChatGPT. Again I use right click, this time to paste from QuickSnap, and I choose this prompt I've saved previously. This is one of my favorites. And after the prompt here, I paste the transcript I've just saved in the same way. Okay, as you see, ChatGPT generated the details. Now I just highlight the title and save it to QuickSnap. Then I highlight the description and save it, highlight the text and save it, and so on. Now I just go to YouTube and use the same right-click menu to paste the info again. As you see, I have the favorites here and I have up to 5 of the last items I've saved. In the QuickSnap, you can also define UTM parameters and copy them here if you need them. And here we have the AI tools directly built in. So you see here you can switch between 8 different tools for different use cases. Here is the YouTube detail writer as well. So it just chooses and copy the transcript again. But instead going to GPT, I just open the QuickSnap tools, choose the video details generator, paste my transcript and click generate. So here you see the response. Just copy this completely and go to YouTube, paste it into the description field, and then I can copy and paste it into the fields I need. If you take the QuickSnap Pro Assistant bump upsell, you will be able to create these AI tools on your own, remove my tools or change them, so you can completely edit and create these tools on your own. Optionally, we have finally a timer and a to-do list tab, so you can save your workflow, for example, or you can save the on-page SEO checklist you are using, etc. And if you don't need it, you can just switch it off. Okay, here's in short what you're getting today. This is a QuickSnap Pro Chrome extension, lifetime access, with unlimited links and snippet storage and so on. The built-in UTM tracker. And during the launch, you get my bonuses on top. This is a to-do list system built into the extension already. Then a set of 7 built-in AI tools and a custom GPT to help you organize your data and import it into QuickSnap, as well as a step-by-step tutorial. The normal price would be $111, but if you act today, you can get the entire bundle for just $12 and 95 cents. After the launch, the price will increase to $17 and I may remove the bonus. You are completely backed up by my 7-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't like it, just send me an email and I will refund your entire purchase. To get QuickSnap Pro, just click the link below the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just comment here on YouTube and see you inside.
Here's the full funnel, all optional, no pressure. AI Action Blueprint Vault. This gives you ready to import to-do lists, traffic strategies, and prompts. Good if you want daily action steps without thinking. OTO2, Viral Growth License. This upgrade lets you rebrand, resell, and keep 100% profit. If you like the idea of turning this tool into a new income stream, this one is for you. OTO3, LaunchJack Dominator. Paste any sales page and get a full affiliate campaign in minutes. Scripts, emails, blog content, WordPress syndication. If you want to scale affiliate promotions faster, this is my top pick. There's also a small bump called the All Features Bundle. It adds bonus creation tools and an email writer. Great if you want more automation. I put QuickSnap through my usual torture test. I took a normal YouTube upload workflow that used to take me about 4 minutes. Copy title, switch tab, paste. Copy description, switch tab, paste. Find tags, switch tab, paste. You know the dance. With QuickSnap Pro, it became a 30-second process. Right-click saved everything, paste from the sidebar, done. It felt like cheating. QuickSnap Pro is not a magic button. It will not create your entire business from thin air. You still need to build content, promote offers, create campaigns, and actually use the tool. It is also not for people who love chaos. If you enjoy having 100 open tabs and 5 apps running at once, this tool will make you too organized. Imagine this. No more tab hunting, no more losing your affiliate links, no more scrolling through docs until your mouse begs for mercy. Imagine opening Chrome and having everything you need sitting in one clean sidebar. That is the power of QuickSnap Pro. If you want to claim it at launch pricing, the link is below. When the launch ends, the price goes up. Questions? Drop them in the comments. Like if this helped. Subscribe for more honest reviews. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com. See you in the next one.